So in numbers 9 and 10, number 9 says, given the center and a tangent line, write in general form. So again, we have the center. What we're missing is the radius. If we did a quick rough sketch here of this, where we had negative 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, comma negative 1 right here. And then we graph the line negative 3, x equals negative 3, that's 1, 2, 3. So we're going to graph this line right here. If we count, that's 1, 2, 3 units away from this line. And a radius here is always going to be perpendicular to a tangent, so it's going to intersect that tangent at exactly one place. So here we've got that this is 3 units, so my r is 3 units. Since that's the case, what we can do is we can go ahead and write our final answer. Inside opposite, so x plus 6 squared, plus inside opposite, y plus 1 squared, equals radius times itself, so 3 times 3 is 9, and that is in standard form. The directions here ask for general form, so we need to change this. So x plus 6 times x plus 6, added to y plus 1 times y plus 1, and then we need to subtract that 9 because we need it to equal 0. So we FOIL this out. X times x is x squared. 6x plus 6x is a total of 12x, and 6 times 6 is 36. Do it again. Y times y is y squared. Y times 1 added to 1 times y is a total of 2y. And 1 times 1 is 1 minus that 9 equals 0. Now we just need to put this in the correct order. So we're going to do x squared plus y squared. Then we're going to have plus 12x plus 2y. And then we need to combine this 36 plus 1, which is 37. And then we're going to do 37 minus 9 to give us 28 equals 0. On number 10, it says, given the general form, we need to write it in standard form. We'll notice the coefficient in front of x squared and y squared are both 5, so we got to divide every term by 5. So if we do that with the x's, we get x squared. With the y squared, we get just y squared. 5 goes into 30 6 times, so 6x. 5 goes into 40 8 times, so 8y. 5 goes into negative 30 negative 6 times equals 0. Now we're going to put this in standard form, so we want to group our x's. So x squared plus 6x with a space plus y squared plus 8y with a space equals, we want to add that 6 to this side here. Now what we want to do is take this b divided by 2 and square it. So we've got 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So we're adding 9 to both sides. Then we're going to do the same thing with this 8 divided by 2, which is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So we're going to add 16 to both sides. So now when we factor here on the left, we have x plus 3 squared added to factoring here with the y's, y plus 4 squared. And then when we add 6 plus 9 plus 16, we're going to get a total of 31. And that will be your final answer.